Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all of you to Samsung Opera House.
Samsung valued my interest in keeping this property for its architectural intent and artistry design.
The word Samsung means 3 stars, and this store has added 3 stars to us.
Went on the ride for the virtual reality ride and it was really awesome. It was a roller coaster ride.
My son played lots of games in that gaming section, and I enjoyed the VR section also. It's nice. It's a wonderful experience.
If a person who rely on Samsung or who really likes Samsung, they can experience everything, and whatever they want to go with, they can just try it and go for it.